So welcome back to another episode of Computer Made Easy practical Computer Made Easy Volume 2 practical classes. And I said earlier on, this video series is sponsored by Computer Made Easy Limited. This is a company where they teach various computer packages. They can learn, be competent, a computer learning center for skill, competence, and certification. I am your usual instructor, Engineer Dipsy AT is my name, and let's begin our session for today. So now I'm on AutoCAD now, and in this practical 13, we shall be drawing the orthographic view of the block over here. In the previous example of practical 12, we did the isometric drawing of this block, how to go about it. Now we want to jump right ahead and draw the orthographic projection of the block. Now let's begin. To begin with, I will start with my axis, as we did earlier on. Isometric axis. Okay. My auto mode is on, so I don't have a problem with vertical and horizontal line. And also I'll be using first angle projection. So my front elevation will be there. Fine. This is my front elevation. This will be my front elevation. So let's jump right to work. Line. So I'll be beginning my drawing from this point. So start here, and we're told this line is 90 long, 90. Okay, and it's 13. Okay, 90. Okay, I'm intentionally drawing in this way because of the units. So line, I want to go ahead and draw this contour. We're told from here is 24. Up is 5, and 29, then 5. Okay. Now we can delete this line as our guide. Fine. Now line again, we'll be drawing this face. This face up is 77. 77. Okay. 77. Then the length is also 90. And we'll be plotting a straight line down. Why? Because looking at it from this axis, this line will appear parallel to this line. So line 13 and 77. And next is this circle, and of course we're going to add some hidden lines to it. This circle, the circle is at the center of this face. So to do that, let me plot a line here. So I pick a circle tool. The circle is radius 40. That means diameter 40. That means radius 20. And my circle is drawn. What is missing? The only missing area is this portion, which will show as hidden line. But before we draw those portions, let's continue to draw other sides, then we project hidden lines to the place, and we'll have that one. So I'm going to go ahead to use construction line to project this height to my side view. I'll be drawing my side view here now. So line, and then this edge, this one is very important. Okay. So I'll be drawing my side view. I'll be beginning from here. Let me shift back to layers and line 2. Coming up is 63, 63. Moving up 77, 77, and branching for 27, 27. Moving up 13. So perfect. Perfect. 40. Then it drops straight down for another 77. Then up you go. Fine. Now this, then here it drops straight down, right? A line. There's a line right here. Okay, so this line done and dusted. What is left to be drawn is this face, as well as a circle. So for this face, I'll be transferring it from here. Let me use construction line. Transfer it from here all the way through. So back to my outline here. Okay, up and all the way through. So since this is a solid, this part of the drawing will not show, so I'll trim it off. So now let me go ahead and transfer the measurement here to this place. So one. To transfer the measurement, I'll need to add a theta line. Line. I do not need my auto mode right now. And angle 45. Okay. I want my line to be a little long this time round. Okay. So 45. Okay. So my theta line is drawn, and what is left for me to do is to transfer this measurement. You observe that my drawing is quite bigger than my paper, but I'll keep drawing that way. So when I'm done drawing, I will now scale it down to reduce the size. Let me lengthen this line. Okay. So line, I'll be kneading this. Keep it all the way down. Okay, let me go ahead and move this drawing to another area where we'll have better space to draw. So let me move. Okay. Okay. Oh, perfect. Oh no, our drawing. Let's move our drawing as well. Oh, perfect. Now, line. I want to transfer this measurement down. Another line. Transfer this measurement down. So I want to transfer this measurement down. Now as well, please measurements. Come on. So, thank you for coming. Service are no longer needed. So, okay. Now I need my auto mode so badly. Auto mode! Okay, auto mode is here. Panic that. Okay. You see, AutoCAD drawing is fun. It's fun. Unlike in those days when we still draw with paper and biro, paper and pencil. And sometimes you want to draw a particular type of line and you discover you forgot your set at all. And it basically screwed like screwed. You are screwed like screwed. But okay, fine. So I'll also be projecting the important lines here down. Okay. 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 It's making sense now. Now we're drawing the top view, looking at it from this angle. So you notice top view. We notice here, I'll be starting my drawing from here. So line 2. One, 40, 40. Oh, come on, baby. Okay. Line 2. Okay. Line 2. 40. Fine. 40. Come on, baby. Okay. It should be 90 there. It should be 90 there. Oh, it should be 90 here. And maybe my draw. Oh, I'm drawing on the wrong angle. Sorry about that. One of the beauty of using CAD system is when you make a mistake, you can easily retrieve yourself. Okay. 90. 90. Okay. So this distance here is 20. And of course it comes up 23, 23, 23. So that's 50. Okay, 22, 23. Okay, perfect. Now, what is left for me to do is the top part. Straight line. Okay. And making text. And I'm bringing this line down. Oh, come on. It's here. Okay. Necessary. Right, 2. Oh, fine. Now, what is left for me to do is to transfer this circle to this portion and this circle here so that they can have their respective hidden lines. So I'll be using the construction line. Transfer that. Come on. Okay. Pick it from there. Okay. So I'll change my no. I want it on hidden line there. So line 2. Hidden line is right here. 1 and right there. Okay, so I'm projecting the circle right here too, so that I can have my hidden line. And the construction line. Okay. Hidden line. Line 2. Okay, what is left on this? These features are not showing, so I'm going to make a projection right now and show them. And line 2. So now we can use hidden line to trace out the boundary. One, 2. Go again. 1, 2. And what is this? Okay. Here, this breaking, it's not showing here, so I'll take projection and quickly do that so that it can show the line. Up. The line showing that there is edge right at the bottom of this place. Okay, so my drawing is almost done. What is left for me to do now is to trim off some very stubborn lines, some unneeded lines, and make my drawing. I scale it down so that it can fit in, and I add some dimensions. Okay, so like earlier on, I'll be using a rectangle tool to trim it up. Okay, come on. I can do a much better rectangle like that. Using the rectangle to trim it up. Okay. And then isn't that wonderful? This will be unneeded. Okay, we good. So the next thing I want to do is I want to scale down my drawing so that it will fit into my drawing area. I'm scaling it out into half. Then I want to move as appropriate. Okay, here is your space. Now fitting now. Excellent. I want to put a DG there. And orthographic drawing or figure or practical 12. So what is left for me is to add dimensions. For this drawing, I don't have any special dimension layer, so I'll be using construction line to create my dimension. And I'll be using speed dimension. I'm using DIM to do dimension. Okay. 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 Which other dimension is needed? Okay. The height. And the height here is needed. Okay. So, and with this, we've come to a very fantastic point in AutoCAD Made Easy Volume 2. AutoCAD Made Easy Volume 2, written by Engineer Adebisi AT. You can reach me personally on my email, engineeradebisiat@gmail.com. ENGRADEBISIAT@gmail.com. And it's been a lovely session. It's been wonderful sharing my time, energy, and resources with you. And big thanks to Computer Made Easy Limited for sponsoring our video series. May the mighty God continue to enrich you and expand you, and I hope in 2 years to come we'll continue to hear your name in and outside of Nigeria. It's been Engineer Adesi on AutoCAD Made Easy Volume 2, the practical session, and it's also been Computer Made Easy Limited helping us sponsoring the video. You can always contact Computer Made Easy Limited with their WhatsApp number. Thank you and God bless.